in addition to finding the second one, I actually found our eraser. So let me erase some of the work you did on that. Actually, I'll leave it here. This is R and S, so before you were saying you had to go down and over like that. But it turned out there was a second point. So how do we figure out even how, I don't even understand, how can there be a second point? That's pretty unique right there.
Well, it's set on the line that passes through R and S.
Okay.
So you could have, say, a point going like this.
Alright, and what would you say about that? So let me erase here, x and 3x.
Well,
What?
we have to say that this is x. This is 2x.
Alright. Okay, so the problem said, suppose r is 3, 5, and s is 8, minus 3. Find each point on the line through r and s that is 3 times as far away from r as it is from s. Why does this construction satisfy what you've done?
It's 3x away from r and x away from s.
Okay, excellent. Excellent!
Alright, so let's see if we can find this point. Well, like we said before, we had to go, to get from r to s, we had to go over 5, down 8.
Alright,
Now this is going to add an extra half of the distance that this is.
okay.
So we'll have to go over 5 over 7.5. 5 plus 5 halves.
Okay.
And down 12. 8 plus 4.
Alright.
So then we'd say this new point's going to be 10.5, comma, minus 7.
10.5, comma, minus 7. Okay. That seems like pretty good reasoning to me. Let me ask you a question. Why can't there also be a point up here?
Because it said 3 times as far away from r as from s.
Okay. And what would happen if a point was up here on the line?
R is closer no matter what.
R is closer no matter what. Okay. And another just sort of hand-waving sort of way, we can see that there's a point down here. These points are much closer to S than they are to R, right? But if I go like super infinitely far away, it's the same distance away from R and S. So it goes from 0 to the same. Sorry. It goes from, like the ratio is almost infinite because it's 0 away from S and like whatever unit, some non-zero unit away from R, so the ratio is nearly infinity. So the ratio being 1, so you know it has to be, at some point the ratio is going to be 3. But that's more of a hand-waving sort of way. But I want to talk about one other thing, and we'll do a super short video and then we'll look on Wolfram Alpha. I don't even know if this is going to work, by the way, but I want to show you something.